Hello and welcome back to my RC channel. I'm Andy RC and today I'm going to be picking a winner for the Helifar X140 Pro. Now there have been absolutely loads of comments, so thank you to everyone for that, and likes as well. The likes are important. So what I'm going to do is copy the video URL and I'm going to use this random comment pick here. I'm going to load up the comments and it might take a while. Now I did read every single comment, and thank you to those that go the extra mile and just put a really nice comment in there. Makes really nice reading for me. So I'm going to randomly pick a winner. So there we go. We have got Scotty for Laws. Best of luck to everyone, but I hope I win. Cheers, Andy. Well, Scotty, you have won. So what you're going to need to do is go onto my YouTube channel and click on the About section, and then down here you can send me a message. Make sure that you do it fairly quickly though, because they are discontinuing this message system, and I just wanted to throw this out there to all of my subscribers. How do you think I should run competitions in the future? Because to me this is the only genuine way that I'm going to know that Scotty is the person he says he is when he messages me, because I can go on here now, I can save his channel, and then I can compare it to the message that I get. But I'm not sure how that is going to be possible in the future. So comments in the below how you think we should run giveaways, because you know, I have Patreon, but I like to be able to offer the giveaway to absolutely everyone, but YouTube is not making it easy here. So anyways, yes, congratulations to Scotty. And while we're here, Gearbest actually sent me this, and it is all their models that are currently on offer, so I'll link this in the below if that is helpful to you. And yeah, while I'm here, might as well say some of the things that are going to be coming up on the channel. So I've got the new HLRC 5-inch Batman 220, so that's going to be coming up. I've got the X-Lite Free Sky transmitter, and I should hopefully be getting the HDO and the Rapid Fire. So lots of cool stuff coming up. Oh, and the Sky Stars X120, I'm going to be working on that as well. So there you go, congratulations to Scotty, and hopefully we'll be able to do another one soon. So as always, thanks so much for watching. Please continue to subscribe. Cheers.